what the Industries Minister Mahadev Naik has done is he has used the government money to do business. Now all this makes us believe that he does not have the moral authority to continue as a minister in the Goa cabinet, and therefore he is not in a position to present the annual report of the Goa State Scheduled Caste and other backward classes Finance and Development Corporation annual report, which is supposed to present on Monday the 27th. So आमचो डिमांड असो आहा की मुख्यमंत्र्यान ह्या 2 दिसांनी ताका रिजाइन करपाक लावचें. तातूंत आनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कसो करपाचें कांय ना. सो आमी एक सरकाराक नोटीस दिवंक सोदतात की ह्या 2 दिसान मिनिस्टराक रिजाइन करचो. एक की आमी मागतात सोमारा सकाळी पयलीं मिनिस्टरान रिजाइन जावचें. जर तो रिजाइन जालो ना जाल्यार आमी सोमारा युनाइटेडली opposition will make a strategy about on the floor how we will go about it, and we will then decide.
दिलीप परुलेकरान सेरुला कमुदात ग्रॅब केली, सरकारान दोळे उगडले ना. लास्ट टाइम voices were raised in the assembly, they have not replied to it. आता Mahadev Naik, honorable minister for industries, who has been announcing about an investment policy for the last number of years, that वर्स जाले इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसी उलयता जे 25,000 कोटी इन्वेस्टमेंट आणि 50,000 जॉब दितले म्हणून. म्हाका तर आमकां सगळ्यांक दिसूंक आयला की एखादी हे इन्वेस्टमेंट सरकार स्वताचे पळोवंक लागल्यात, कित्याक वी डोंट फायंड एनीथिंग इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट बीइंग डन अदर दॅन द सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट. लायक माय कलीग हॅज सेड, वी एक्सपेक्ट अ इमिजिएट एक्शन फ्रॉम द गव्हर्नमेंट, फेलिंग which whatever action will be taken will be unitedly taken with the opposition.
Industries Minister Mahadev Naik has today committed, as we have come to know today, I mean it is a thing which has happened before, but the most important thing is that he has taken a loan. We demand he resigns, and if he doesn't resign, we will have a united opposition on an issue that a privilege of an MLA as given and enshrined by our law books, that an MLA has used it well, and if he has not used it well, he doesn't deserve a right to remain in the assembly.
We are all united, and along with Vijay, myself, Reginald, Naresh and all other members of the opposition and the Congress party and independents will be unitedly taking on the government, and especially on this case of cheating and fraud which has been committed by a minister whose name has just been mentioned. And most importantly is this is nothing but playing a fool with the people of Goa, and is an excellent example of a fraud and nothing but cheating. And this government minister doesn't deserve to remain as a minister in the government. This government should not be worried about the Congress corruption cases, but should be worried about its own ministers who are involved in clear-cut case of cheating and fraud.